Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to register on eToro. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the official eToro website. Click on Join Now. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the registration form, confirm your email address and activate your account. After that, complete the KYC, Know Your Customer verification process. Upload a selfie and a photo of your government-issued ID or other accepted identification document. This verification process is mandatory for legal and security reasons, and it's required on most trusted trading platforms. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to register on eToro. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others.